Hey everybody, so today I'm going to be showing you the Samsung over-the-range microwave in the stainless steel. So a few reasons why I really love this microwave. It's going to be a sleek and modern design, really perfect for any kitchen. Offers a spacious 1.7 cubic foot capacity to handle all your cooking needs. The stainless steel finish really adds a touch of elegance, while the over-the-range design helps save counter space, which is incredibly important. It's also going to feature a powerful cooking capabilities, multiple functions, and really easy to use controls, making meal prep a breeze or just cooking in general. So if you're looking for a stylish and efficient microwave, then this is definitely the fantastic choice for just that.